What's up YouTube? Welcome back to an episode of Smitty's, and if you are new here, I do truck videos, travel videos, and any other thing. So if you stick around, if you subscribe, you'll definitely see something that you like. This video is going to be rather short. I just wanted to show you guys how I took off my emblem off my 4Runner. It's rather simple. All you need is a little bit of toothpaste. I got two different kinds, and I also left one number up there so you can see exactly how to do it. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, so as you can see, I've already took off runner. It's right here. There's the N, there's the U. I just stuck these back up there just to show you. It's not as easy to take it off. But all you'll need, like I said, is some toothpaste. Just grab yourself some toothpaste. Just get a good little length out there. What you want to do is just slide it under the number, and you will go through a lot, trust me, a lot. But as you're going back and forth, it creates friction, so it's going to cut the glue behind it. And as you can see, it's starting to fray the toothpaste as well because of that friction. But just keep going and keep going. If it rips, just set it aside and grab some more. Stick it right back under there. Just keep going. Letter will fall off. And the hardest part of this job is trying to get all this glue off. So what you'll have to do is grab some Goo Gone or some industrial strength remover. Basically it comes in liquid form, so you wet a towel and you just go to town on it. Or if you have heat, heat would work 10 times better than anything I'm telling you. I don't have a heat gun or a blow dryer, so I'm just doing it the old-fashioned way. But yeah, let's go ahead and grab some remover. All right, so what I'm going to be using is what's called Goof Off. It comes at Walmart. I think it's like $4 for this little can, but there's a lot in there. And I grabbed a little shop rag. I just fold up the rag, and then I pop off the cap and basically just wet it a little bit. You want to try a little inconspicuous area to make sure it don't eat at your paint, depending on the year and model of your car. I just wipe it. Just apply it up there, let it sit for a little while, and it starts to work. I'll just keep doing this over and over again until it starts to come off. And what it does is it like goops up on the rag. That's the glue right there. That's the glue right there, and a little bit of toothpaste. I've been calling it toothpaste this whole time. Another thing you can do is grab yourself a blade scraper. It's just a razor blade on a handle. Actually, mine broke over here. I got it at AutoZone for like $4, and just lightly go over the glue to help get the massive bulk off. As you can see, it's starting to come off. But make sure you angle it with the paint, because if you don't, you're going to dig into the paint and then you're going to start, it's going to cause chippage. See how it's coming off? I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? That glue? It's a lot. So you're going to be doing this for a little while, if you do this at all. I'm going to go ahead and knock this out, and I'm going to show you the final product. Alright, so as you can see, I just finished. I nicked it twice there. So what I did, first, use the floss, get under the letters to get it all off to expose the glue. Then I used this scraper, a blade scraper, and I started it on the corner, and I used my finger and it started to roll. After I got the bulk of it off, I used this Goof Off. I sprayed a little on the rag, put it on there, and it took a few tries back and forth, but the majority of it came off. See, there's still a little I got to get to right here. I don't know if you can see that way over there. A little black line right there of glue from where the letter ended. And at some lights you can see the actual 4Runner. From the letter sitting up there so long, and then the sun beating down on it, there's going to be, you can kind of see it. But I'm going to cover it up eventually. I'm just waiting for it to come in the mail. Hope y'all like this video. Hope you learned something. I'll catch you on the next one.